In Tatsfield this morning, just quickly recording a video to show people how to use the outdoor gym here. Hardly any people use it. It's okay, it's a good piece of free equipment, but people have got that lack of knowledge how to use it, so this is what this video is for. If it's something you enjoy, please let me know. Also, if you want me to come up this week at the Tatsfield, show you how to do it or take a class here, drop me a message on here or drop me a text. Take care and have a lovely day. So this piece of kit's called the Surfer, okay? It's working your obliques, a little bit of upper body as well. Now a lot of these things, it's the getting on, it's the toughest thing. So making sure you're taking your waist with your arms, putting both feet on, and then relaxing. But you want to make sure you can take your weight here. Then you're going to take your legs from side to side, really crunch it up as high as you can. So you're working the muscles here and here. The slower you go, the harder it is. You will get some workout from going nice and fast, but if you go nice and slow and then crunching your knees up to the side, you're going to work those a lot more harder. Okay, remember getting off, take the weight with your arms, stepping back. There you go. So this is called the spacewalk, and it's usually done wrong. Okay, so you're taking your weight with your arms, you're making sure you step on again, because stepping on is sometimes the hardest. Hold it in place. Then instead of moving your legs fast, which you can do, if you take it nice and slow, you're giving your glutes, your hip flexors and your legs a harder workout, really crunching down that movement. You can mix it with going nice and slow and then relaxing, going faster, but you've got to be careful because you've really got to use a balance. You've got to have your hands on all the time, especially when you are, as usual, stepping off. Okay, this is the skier. It's an okay piece of kit. It was not my first choice because there's a lot of aerobic things you can do, because that's what it's going to do. Full body workout, working your heart and lungs. But first of all, you're stepping on, again, making sure you got a hold of those handles, and then it's a nice exercise to do, so there's no impact. It's a bit clunky. You can push with your arms, or you can just drive with those legs, and you've got to be careful getting on and off. There's many other aerobic exercises you can do, but this is how you use this piece of kit. Okay, this piece of kit is called the Lat Pulldown exercises. Okay, it's lat pull downs. Okay, it's working the latissimus dorsi, big wing shaped muscles in the back, and also your biceps. You're holding it like so, and leading with your elbows, you're driving your chest through. My feet are on the floor, and you can assist with pushing with those toes. But to make it a lot harder, you're taking your feet off the floor completely and putting it all the way through. Making sure you're leading with that chest, and you're coming through as far as you can and slowly down. You can explode up if you want, but then using your weight negatively to work it twice as hard. So this is the chest press. You're pretty limited with only one grip here, but this is working your chest and your triceps. So keeping that spine nice and neutral looking forward. You're pressing away and slowly resisting coming back. As you can see, you're bringing you up in the air, so to make it harder, you're taking your feet off the floor and using your own weight. But use that negative rep again, slowly coming back. So moving on to the leg press here. So you're putting your feet in place here, and it's using your body weight. So as you push away, it's using your own weight against you, okay, and you're slowly bringing it back, just like so, so drive it away. There's a bit of front loading on those quads, okay, so you're not really getting a full workout of those legs. You can do calf exercise on here by extending, okay, and then you're just coming up onto your toes just like so. You're working those calves, but making sure that your knees track over your toes when you push away. Again, you can explode out and slowly back in. So that's the outdoor gym at Tatsfield. There's so many things that you can do. It's not that bad a piece of kit for free, but you now know how to use it, all right? So just remember, take your time on it. And if you're unsure, just drop us a message on there. But don't limit yourself to this. There's so many body weight exercise you can do. We've got a children's playground here as well, and a little adventure playground type of thing there. And you can really do a great workout there. Just give us a shout and I'll write something for you. But take care, and remember, You are awesome.